Here comes the sun, do 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 do. Here comes the sun. It's alright now. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Good morning, people of YouTube. After being bogged down by the monsoon season, the rainy season here in Mizoram, India, and now I think it's the perfect day, to go out to have some fun. And it's going to be the perfect day for an outdoor picnic, brunch by the riverside, taking a dip, cooling yourself up, and overall, just chilling, just vibing and catching up with your old friends, So yeah, and I think it'll be great if you guys would tag along with us and celebrate this beautiful, crisp, sunny weather that we have here. And yeah, let's not waste such a beautiful day like this. So yeah, the place I'm going to take you is a little secret of mine. It's a little hard to get to, but yeah, we'll do just fine. So let's go celebrate this day with us virtually. It's alright now.
So we've gotten the frozen stuff from the deep freezer, we've gotten the guacamole, we've gotten the dips, we've gotten the prawn that was marinated, we've got the grapes, and we only need to buy additional water for the trip.
Everything's ready?
Yes.
Sun, here it comes. Sun. Okay, now we just finished with a quick breakfast, quick snack. So our friends have arrived and on we go towards Dwi Rivang. It'll take about, I think, an hour from here. We've got our supplies ready and yeah, let's see, it's going to be a fun journey. They'll be following us on a scooty, a two-wheeler, so let's go. To my secret spot, and as you can see, the roads are becoming a lot more dustier than they used to. If you want to go to this place, you should definitely go during the dry season, because during the wet season this road will all be muddy and all the trashy. If you don't have a four-wheel drive, it's impossible to reach this place. So going during the dry season, it's 100% recommended.
KJ Michaels. Hello guys. It's your boy KJ. Chúng hiện drone ăn thầu na driver switching gần đây à. Rồi nên là khởi tốt mẹ à. Cái tạ sáng rồi. Yo. Cái tạ là một việc kiếm đấy. YouTuber tất cả họ tập về thì có hay cái ăn cần nó mua tổ tên cần sắt ngày hi rồi iri quay khảo đồ quay lại à sáng ha cái khởi đồ lâu mò
khởi đồ lâu
trên thiết kế khen ai mi anh khác về đúng không
quay cái phone hi cái vào rồi
Okay, people. We've just reached the place where we had to park our vehicle. Now we're off by foot to my secret spot. Take us about 5 to 10 minutes, I think, of walking. And it's a beautiful spring, crisp day, ideal for a picnic. Might even go in for a swim afterwards. And the trails are small, but it's easy. It's fairly easy going. And anyone can do this type of hike. I don't know what the water level will be like right now, but I'm hoping it'll be crystal clear. And okay guys, you can hear the river at the side of me, and it's about, wait, this deserves a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. So afternoon guys, finally at my secret spot, and this place, I don't know what the exact name of this place is, but it's about an hour and a half drive from Aizawl. The roads are a bit bumpy, you need a 4-wheel drive. Water is crystal clear and you can do a kind of fish therapy in this water, you know, when you just sit down, put your legs down. The fish, they come to feed on your dead skins and all that, so that's amazing. There's no such plan for today, it's just about chilling at the riverside, you know, just relaxing, just enjoying the view. So, until then, I'll keep you guys updated. Let's taste the prawns first. Man, that's amazing, man. Pig in a blanket. Out of this world. Out of this world. Samuel and Zorina is trying to learn the traditional way of catching crabs, which is making ayot. Ayot is a trap. They're weaving bamboos right now. I don't think, honestly, that these guys will be successful in catching crabs. Umay, what are you making, man? Ayot.
Ayot, no, our bomb. This is for chicken house.
So these guys, they taught this guy how to make a crab trap.
Bro.
But this guy is making a chicken trap. I don't know where he got
trap,
that knowledge.
bro. Chicken house, hello.
Chicken house. Okay. That's a wrap, people. That's how you spend a sizzling hot sunny day here in Mizoram. With the perfect company, delicious food, learning new crafts, and finally, cooling yourself off in the crystal clear waters of the hills. And yeah, as I've said before, walk that extra mile, push yourself a little harder, and be rewarded with the beautiful things that await you just beyond what the eyes can see. Thanks for watching.